In the unforgiving realm of modern aerial warfare, raw power alone is no longer enough to secure victory. Today's ultimate fighter jets must blend sharpness, precision, and invisibility to slice through the fog of battle. We are talking about the elite 5th generation fighters, masterpieces of unmatched stealth, advanced avionics and sensors, super cruise capabilities, networked warfare, and extreme agility. From the clouds over the Pacific to the deserts of the Middle East, these ultramodern gunships are the new kingmakers, capable of overwhelming virtually any adversary. So which platform reigns supreme? Let us count down the 7 most cutting-edge, 5th-gen fighters that are either in service or rigorously being developed and reveal their fearsome capabilities. You won't believe what is waiting for you at number 1, so stay tuned. Number 7, Turkey's Kaan. Kicking off our countdown at number 7 is Turkey's ambitious entrant into the 5th generation arena, the Kaan, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, which is leveraging technical expertise gleaned from its involvement in the F-35 program to create an affordable fighter tailored for the Turkish Air Force. It is equipped with twin engines generating 13,000 kilograms thrust each. The Kaan features a low observability design, internal and external weapons carriage, an active electronically scanned array, ASA, radar system, super cruise capability, and advanced data link systems. The prototype performed taxi and ground tests on March 16, 2023, and its maiden flight was completed on February 21, 2024. While the Kaan boasts impressive stealth capabilities and speed comparable to the F-35 Lightning II and the F-22 Raptor, it falls short in terms of rate of climb and power. Expected to replace Turkey's aging F-16 fleet by the 2030s, the Kaan aims to provide long-term operational capability for the Turkish Air Force. Number 6, South Korea's KAI KF-21 Boramae. At number 6 is the KAI KF-21 Boramae, also known as KFX, a South Korean-led fighter aircraft development program designed to produce an advanced multi-role fighter for the South Korean and Indonesian air forces. The KF-21 first took to the skies on July 19, 2022, and manufacturing is scheduled to begin in 2026. The KF-21 is powered by 2 General Electric F414 GE400K engines. It was named the Boramae, meaning young hawk or fighting hawk in Korean. Though the KF-21 incorporates advanced stealth features and rivals other 5th-gen fighters in reducing radar cross-section, it is currently considered a 4.5 generation fighter with the potential for upgrades to full 5th-gen status. Number 5, Russia's Su-57 Felon. Sliding into the number 5 position is Russia's flagship, the Su-57. With a unique design incorporating 3D thrust vectoring, the Su-57 stands out for its agility and kinematic performance. Despite lacking the frontal stealth shaping of its American and Chinese counterparts, the Su-57 employs a flattened design to minimize radar returns and shielding its powerful ISDA-30 engines from hostile radars. While the Su-57 boasts advanced electronic warfare capabilities and a larger internal weapons bay, it is often criticized for weaker stealth compared to other 5th-generation fighters. Production issues have further hampered its deployment, with only a handful currently operational. Unless Moscow can ramp up funding and industrial capacity, the Su-57 risks becoming little more than a technology demonstrator. Number 4, India's AMCA. At number 4 is the 5th-generation fighter, the formidable Advanced Multi-Role Combat Aircraft or AMCA, tenaciously being developed by India's military aerospace establishment. Rather than solely chasing the highest top speeds or most exotic materials, the AMCA's core philosophy blends all future aspects with a design philosophy focusing on agility, advanced sensor fusion, and AI capabilities. AMCA adopts a smaller airframe weight of around 25 tons, which trades fuel and weapon loads for increased agility, faster acceleration, and the ability to operate from more austere airfields. The AMCA also utilizes a very different wing and tail configuration with diamondback wings, stabilators, and all-moving surfaces. This non-planar design provides excellent low-speed handling, while the wings fold to ease shipborne operations. But the AMCA's biggest differentiator comes in its groundbreaking sensor and avionics suites, enabled by decades of Indian R&D. Unlike most other stealth fighters relying solely on AESA radars, the AMCA will be a true multi-sensor shooter. It will feature a distributed aperture system of multiple infrared, electromagnetic and visual sensors fused by powerful AI algorithms. This promises vastly superior situational awareness and targeting than any other fighter through real-time data fusion. Its panoramic cockpit display and holographic HUD will make the AMCA pilot a true battlefield information manager on par with an AWACS controller. The Mark II AMCA is slated to fly with game-changing 6th-gen systems like directed energy weapons, both lasers and microwaves, for offensive and defensive tasks against air and surface targets. Optionally manned capability, allowing the AMCA to fly unmanned for risky missions without endangering pilots. Hypersonic strike weapons, giving the AMCA a potent quick-reaction precision strike ability and swarm drone control system. However, the program faces immense technical, funding, and industrial capacity hurdles that have derailed many predecessors. Only time will tell if the AMCA realizes its vision of an autonomous battlefield dominator. But, if Indian designers can execute their ambitious multi-sensor shooter vision and rapidly mature 6th-gen technologies, the AMCA could enter service as the world's most advanced and balanced air superiority fighter. AMCA is clearly aiming to field a fighter that decisively overshadows the capabilities of other current stealth designs. Number 3, China's J-20 Mighty Dragon. At number 3, we have China's J-20 Mighty Dragon, developed by Chengdu Aerospace. Prioritizing brute stealth performance, the J-20 features a precise stealthy shape and advanced low observable technologies to defeat enemy radars from all angles. The J-20 pioneers other low observable technologies including an infrared search and track sensor to detect launch signatures and secure data link systems. It's also rumored to incorporate a unique radar system that remains passive and undetectable until required. While falling behind the F-35 in areas like sensor fusion, the J-20 compensates with sheer speed and kinematic performance powered by a pair of mighty indigenous WS-15 turbofans. This enables it to rapidly close and engage targets using WVR munitions like its brutal PL-10 infrared missiles. With plans to deploy over 200 of these heavy air superiority fighters, the J-20 poses a major future threat to rival stealth assets attempting to operate inside its defensive perimeter. Number 2, the undisputed king, for now, the F-35 Lightning II. In the number 2 spot we have arguably the world's most powerful and formidable multi-role fighter currently in operation, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, serving the United States as well as numerous allied air forces around the globe. A true technological marvel, the F-35 melds next-generation stealth design with the most advanced sensor and networking capabilities ever integrated on a fighter. Its potent APG-81 AESA radar, electro-optical targeting system, multiple laser systems and panoramic cockpit displays grant incredible detection and precision strike capabilities. Crucially, the F-35 acts as a force multiplier through its ability to seamlessly share its rich battlespace data with a wide array of friendly assets from ships to ground forces to older fighter models. Defeating its networked strike potential is a huge challenge. While the program continues facing scrutiny over its high development costs and setbacks, in the hands of trained aircrews the F-35's beyond visual range firepower, sensor fusion, and stealth are already rewriting air combat tactics and procedures. Number 1, U.S. Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD. But could all these modern stealth icons soon be rendered obsolete by an even more futuristic and classified American program? At number 1 we have the highly secretive but tremendously ambitious Next Generation Air Dominance or NGAD family of systems spearheaded by the U.S. Air Force. Envisioned as an AI-enabled interchange of sensors, weapons and autonomous unmanned platforms, NGAD aims to achieve true multi-domain dominance. While concrete details remain scant, this tailored air superiority platform is widely rumored to pioneer technologies like a combined cycle propulsion system for Mach 5 sprint speeds, distributed sensors, and sophisticated self-healing structure designs. Its manned fighter component would serve as a survivable battlefield node coordinating UCAV wingmen, swarmed munitions, and cyber-electronic attacks launched from dispersed operating locations. It marks a definitive pivot away from traditional fighter jet concepts. If successfully developed, this system would represent the undisputed cutting edge in stealth, autonomy, and disaggregated strike capabilities, extending America's global power projection abilities for decades to come. However, the technical risks remain immense, and costs could easily spiral out of control. From Turkey's ambitious Kaan to America's futuristic NGAD, these fifth-generation fighters represent the pinnacle of modern aerospace engineering. Each platform brings unique capabilities to the table, shaping the future of aerial warfare.